migration is time-consuming, costly, and complex, especially with legacy languages and undocumented code. Teaming up, human and machine to migrate code faster and better. It delivers accurate, efficient, and well-documented code migrations. Introducing K.Convert. We convert all structured languages into modern code, making the process seamless. Discover how K.Convert transforms your code, leveraging the power of AI. With a full functional and technical analysis of the as-is situation. When converting, multiple AI agents collaborate to optimize results and ensure consistency and uniformity. After AI-driven test execution, multiple feedback loops are executed driven by human experts to guarantee code quality. This iterative process ensures the highest accuracy and efficiency, culminating in the creation of a fully documented and validated target code. Leveraging an AI-powered solution to migrate code ensures faster results, improved quality, and lower costs. We're not just keeping up with the industry, we're leading it. Ready to revolutionize your migration projects? Discover how Kairos can speed up your migration. Contact us to learn more.